Ah! Greetings all around this world. We're here for the biggest crossover of all time. Forget Infinity War. Forget Smash. We've got Chef Dan and Chef T-Relly coming at you. And we're making banana bread.
Yes, I am here as well.
Alright, perfect.
Alright. What the fuck are these in
The
here?
oven is already open.
There we go. Alright.
What's up on that shit?
And that's how you...
And that's how we make banana bread. In a mixing bowl, mash the ripe bananas. Put the bananas in there.
Look at them bananas.
With or without the skin?
Without the skin.
How do you get the skin off?
It's a banana.
You peel it.
A banana.
Guys, you're asking a lot of me right now.
Have you never eaten a banana? So explain your process to me. What is
Alright.
the plan?
We're making banana
Well,
bread.
first off,
Yes.
you type into Google
Banana bread.
banana bread recipes.
How many stars did the recipe have?
This one has
2.5.
5 out of 5.
Ooh, nice.
So far we're doing good. Prep time 10 minutes.
Oh, that's not bad.
It seems like it's gonna take Dan 10 minutes just to get these bananas out.
Shut up! Why even say that?
Just use a knife, you dingus.
It looks like a white turd. And it feels like a white turd.
Hold on, let me get in on this. Yeah, that looks about right. Bananas. So Anthony, what are you doing?
I'm trying to figure out what I should be doing.
That's always a good thing. Especially when we're dealing with chemistry on this level.
Basically, this is above my pay rate.
Yeah, your 0 an hour you get.
Yeah, the zero money we get from these.
Alright, I need baking soda, salt, sugar, and vanilla.
I'm already here, you have your salt.
And Dan's here, so I got my sugar.
Haha.
You can say that like 3 more times until it's no longer a good joke.
I can't even open this damn box. It says push. You see, it says push. Oh, God, shut up.
It says push, pop.
Shut up.
Alright,
enough.
I got the sloppy yellow white turds.
Beautiful. Let's get it. Oh, that's just gorgeous.
If your poop looks like that but brown, it's good.
Brilliant, Dan.
Alright. Baking soda. Check.
Ripe bananas.
Salt. How much salt? I need a pinch of salt. That's sugar. But
There you go.
in the
There
salt
you go.
shaker.
There you go.
This? Yeah, just boil it. Yeah. Also, do you want to mash up these turds? Got a fork.
Don't you have like a potato masher?
Yeah, but instead of fork.
Oh, Dan's just whisking these bananas.
Look at that form.
Yeah. It's all in the
Yeah.
wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Okay, you're getting way into this.
I don't.
Okay, we're out of eggs, so we're doing an egg substitute.
What is the egg substitute? I can speak.
A tablespoon of vinegar
Is a substitute for eggs?
with science.
Science!
Oof.
With?
More baking soda.
Wait, baking soda, vinegar. This seems like an explosion waiting to happen.
That's what it said.
I feel like you're slowly making a bomb bread, and I'm not sure I'm down with that.
Pulls it out of the oven.
Oh, looks good!
These
delicious.
aren't pies. These are bombs.
Made in a bomb factory. They're bombs.
Dan, mix this together.
Let's hope all that.
I can do that.
Let's hope all that potassium doesn't kill us. Delicious.
Oh my god, this does not smell good. This smells very strong.
Yeah, this
very vinegary.
this banana bread is starting to turn more into like vinegar bread.
There's some black vanilla from the Dominican Republic.
Ooh, Is that what it requires, or is it just regular vanilla?
It just wants vanilla, but we're using special vanilla.
Yeah. Because here at Quest Bros, we don't shy away from challenges.
Now we need butter.
Cutting that butter.
Cheers.
What? Look, literally, I'm just standing here with a camera on one arm and doing nothing except for looking at you guys.
We're making banana bread.
Yeah, you guys
Doing
are.
nothing.
Okay, let's put this in the microwave. Oh, get this shot.
Alrighty.
Oof. Ignore all my garbage on top of my microwave.
I zoomed in just for this.
Oof. We're not putting it in for that long.
Okay. I'm glad you put it in a bowl.
Well, yeah, I'm not just gonna put a stick of butter in the microwave by itself.
I mean,
I did that once.
Why?
I did it too.
With the wrapping in it, I put it.
Yeah.
I put the whole thing in.
I really
for
want
30 seconds. Grabbed it all over the microwave.
I just really wanted grilled cheese, and the butter was not like smooth enough.
What?
What?
You don't need like what? You
Yeah.
don't need melted butter for grilled cheese.
The stick of butter was too like hard for me to spread any on. Phrasing.
I'm literally just the mixture right now.
Yeah.
Like you could have just bought like a $20 machine and it would do this for you.
And then put Dan's face on it.
I mean that costs extra though.
Yeah, it costs printer paper and ink. I have to like kind of dance and skirt around everybody.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what camera boys do.
Yeah. But usually they are on like a trolley or something.
No, those are cameramen. You're a cameraman.
Oof.
Ooh.
Oh, now it's looking like batter. Look at that batter. Beautiful. It is very floury.
Yeah. Well, I'll get it out.
Uh-oh.
Oh, and it's a bomb.
And it's a bomb. We're gonna die.
From a bomb factory.
It's a bomb.
Do I keep mixing this with my...
I gave you a whisk.
Sorry, I had to adjust the handle.
There's a fork.
And this is a camera. Observations are fun.
These are men. And this is a boy.
I'm trying to get on the shot.
Let's
And this is a boy.
So for once, we're actually doing something.
What do you mean? We always do stuff.
We're now a cooking
We're
channel.
now actually a cooking channel. We started being a reaction channel, and we're like, you know,
Let's do something else.
Let's do
also-
something that
let's-
gives us like 30,000 less views.
Are you just
Yeah.
buttering the pan?
No, I'm just rubbing my hand on it.
You have Pam in there.
Yeah, but what am I gonna do with this two tablespoons of butter?
That's
Makes
fair.
a recipe that requires only 2 tablespoons of butter.
Yeah. Maybe make a grilled cheese.
Maybe.
I mean, the butter's soft enough.
Shit. You right.
Gotta get way in there.
Gotta get way up there, Morty.
I don't know about this, Rick.
Morty, we're just making banana bread, Morty. With science.
Oh, jeez, Rick.
Morty, look at me.
Oh,
I am the camera now.
okay, Rick. Whatever you say.
Alright, now we need some chocolate chips.
What?
Get this in slow motion, Jarod.
Oh,
Dan, don't make it so.
I was like, is it coming out anytime soon? How many chips do we want?
I don't know.
Enough.
A healthy amount.
You do realize that in post, we're just gonna edit it so it's in slow motion, right?
Oh.
This should be good.
That's a good shot.
That's a lot of damage.
I only dropped 2 turds.
Damn it, Dan, I told you to go
Gross.
to the bathroom.
And just like that, they're evenly mixed. Evenly.
Even, yeah. As even as we can get.
Yes! Two men cooking next to a stove 5 feet apart because they're not gay.
Sounds about right. Looking up that recipe.
Yep. Jerry, get a shot of this.
All right.
Oh, it's on the other side. I get it.
There we go.
Oh, yeah. Wasn't there supposed to be like yeast in this?
No, that's just in regular white bread.
Why has it got to be white?
I don't know, because wheat is white.
No, it's yellow.
Yeast is brown.
Yes.
So yellow plus brown equals white?
I mean,
the
white.
flour
is
is
all the
white.
colors. White is the color of all colors. So you're not wrong. You're just not fully right.
Beautiful.
Is this gonna rise at all?
It should.
It's supposed to.
All right, how long do we put it in the oven?
We put it in for 50 to an hour. Hold on. There's
50 to an hour? Holy crap.
Go for 55.
Yeah.
I always like medians.
Master Chef T-Relly getting that last little bit. Look at that, with a spoon.
With a spoon.
Not a fork, not a spork, a spoon.
Not a spife.
The spife.
Spoon knife.
Oh.
And then there's that one thing that's just all three of the cutlery tools
Yeah.
combined, which I don't know how to pronounce.
The sporf knife?
The knife.
I think it is the spanife. Somebody in the comments, please correct us if we're.
There's a chart for this, guys.
Yeah, there's a Venn diagram, a tri-Venn diagram.
All right.
Nice.
Pop this in, bud.
Alrighty.
Ooh, that's hot. Hold on, let me
You know what else is hot?
even that out.
Hold on. My hotness will protect me from this hotness.
It won't protect you from stuttering, but it'll protect you from the oven.
Yes!
Should I stop recording?
Not yet. Now we got it. Ooh. And now we wait 1 hour.
Now we wait 1 hour.
All right, we're here.
Alright,
We out here.
we out.
We got 1 minute left.
1 minute remaining.
Now we're just gonna watch this for 1 minute.
Yeah. They say a watch pot never boils.
Oh, shit.
They obviously have never made banana bread.
Actually, no, I should probably keep it.
Yeah, just in
No,
case.
no, that's going off.
Look at my new watch, dude. It has 5 time
Watch out,
zones.
I hate you.
Back up.
Back the fuck up. Ooh. The key to good banana bread is a crispy outside, but a slightly gooey inside.
That's, no, shut up. Shut up.
Let's see. Moment of
All right,
truth.
right in the center.
Ooh.
And it's good.
Yeah. Delicious.
It cooked evenly all around. Oh, a
Surprise.
little bit on that side.
Who knew following a
cooking while it's in there.
Who
So
knew
it
following a
must have
5-star
been
recipe
this-
would have helped?
Hey, if we could cook it, you can too.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for coming on this journey with us.
I mean,
We hope you learned something.
does it taste good though?
I mean,
You're supposed to let it sit.
Yeah,
But fuck that.
but we take risks. Some of which involve a burnt tongue.
Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Very,
Nice.
very banana-y.
That's-
Which is what I love in a banana bread.
Well, I mean,
Well,
it is
otherwise it'll be bread banana.
bread banana.
Yeah, they don't call it banana bread for nothing.
Exactly.
All right, we're out. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.
Oh,
Thank you for this collaboration of Chef Dan and Chef
hit that
T-Relly.
notification button.
Make sure to support our Patreon as well, and follow us on all of our social medias and subscribe.
Become a true quest, bro.
Thank you
Should we
guys for
do that in sync? True quest, bro.
Nice. That's the thumbnail.
Bye.